All right, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, I wanted to make this quick video this is basically an urgent video that I wanted to share for my followers on this channel, for Uber and Lyft drivers and gig workers, and especially just people who are, you know, on the hustle looking for extra way to make money. There's an incredible way to make money right now that I'm currently doing on TikTok, and people are making insane amounts of money. I'll just throw up some screenshots here of the amount of money that people have made on TikTok Shop this way specifically, and I'll throw up some screenshots of money that TikTok has paid me as well. TikTok is like just exploding right now in the e-commerce space because they're trying to compete with Amazon and eBay. They just literally dropped this product. It's called C4 pre-workout. Well, C4, you can literally make little videos, and I have a link below, guys, teaching you guys how to set up your page and start making money. This is a video I'm currently a product I'm currently promoting. It's a smart scale. Basically, the companies send you these products for free, and you just make little videos with them. I got this product for free. I have bought a couple of them, but in the link below, guys, I have a full tutorial video how to set this all up, and it's there's a 30-day free trial to join it right now, plus I have a group chat and everything. So yeah, if you don't like it, obviously you can leave the group, but these are whitening strips, these are all just products you basically get paid to promote. This is gum. These are all, and this is like neuro gum. This literally Joe Rogan uses it, so it's like easy to promote. It's energy and focus gum. I also am promoting this C4 energy drink, and you don't need to show your face in this at all, guys. You don't need experience or a following. Literally, they just made it super easy. In the past you did need to have a following, but they just made it super easy where you can start promoting products like literally like super fast without any following, and you don't need to show your face. This is another product that I'm promoting. It's a little game that you can promote. Oh, this is a really popular one. It's essentially a I obviously haven't made a video with it yet, but I just got it. It's a connector for your car, and it has these little cords that come in. It's like a retractable car charger. I need to make a couple videos with these because I think these would be really well. And by the way, I think this is a great hustle for Uber and Lyft drivers because videos in your car do really, really well on TikTok. I think it's because, number one, the audio is usually really good in a car. So it's like TikTok promotes videos with good audio, and because you're in a closed environment with good acoustics, it's like the audio is really good. And they're also relatable. It's relatable to make videos when you're in a car. So I think in Uber and Lyft drivers and gig workers, when you have that mindset of like, oh, I'm trying to find this new way to make money, if you can set up your TikTok shop page and just start promoting products like in between your rides, or like when you have an extra 20 minutes here, you can make like 5 videos in like 10 minutes and then post them throughout the day. Like, this isn't something that requires a ton of time. This is a oil pulling mouth rinse. As you can see, I'm super like into TikTok shop right now. This is a digital camera. This was like 25 bucks. This is an easy sell because on Amazon they have it for 50, but this is on TikTok shop for 25. So it's like a lot of products on TikTok shop are cheaper, so people are already incentivized to like spend money on TikTok shop. And TikTok shop's always giving like free shipping, free coupons, so for the user. So you basically just make little videos promoting these products and make money that way. I have so many more products at my house. These are just all the ones that fit in my car. I have this other camera in black. I got them in both colors just to make you know, make extra videos with. But yeah, those are all the products I have in my car. I also have this other one too. Actually, now that I realize, this is a this is a phone holder. It's like a phone holder for your car. So there's a lot of car products too, especially if you're in your car a lot, you can make videos, but you can just make videos promoting anything. Like literally C4, like I already had this at my house, and I realized they just started on TikTok Shop. So TikTok Shop's like taking over right now, the e-commerce space. So if you don't hop in on this right now, I mean, you're missing out. Literally, if you're not doing this right now, you're missing out on like a golden opportunity, because this is the way people spend money, is they, you know, they're on their phone scrolling. I'll just show you right now, like, I'll show you one of my videos and how it works, basically, so you can see an example. And like, you guys could do this. Anybody can do this. It's crazy how easy it is.
How many calories are in a bowl of pineapple? Let's find out.
So I'm promoting this product right here. It's a scale, a smart scale, and you hook it up to your app. But I'm making this video.
How many calories are in a bowl of pineapple? Let's find out. I have my smart scale here. Once you add the bowl,
and as you can see, I'm just making a video showcasing the product. Anyways, that's not, like, you guys don't need to see that. But it drops an orange link here.
Start adding our pineapple. So I just filled
and
up with pineapple, and as you can
the
see,
user can buy it.
Calories. It's 400.
And it gives you $14 commission. So if you sell one, guys, you get 14 bucks. So it's like, that video just got 1,000 views. And, you know, imagine if it goes viral. Imagine if it gets 10,000, 20,000. You know, a lot of people who have accounts with like just a couple thousand followers or less are getting videos with millions of views and making, you know, it just takes one video to pop up to make like $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. It's crazy. So honestly, I think if you're spending all your time driving Uber and Lyft right now and you're not trying any other side hustles, I would try this one out. Again, I'll have a link below. There's a whole tutorial on how to set up your shop, how to start promoting these products, how to get a lot of these products for free. They just send it to you. Like, these companies want you to make videos. Like, it's free advertising for them. They're just paying you a commission. So they're gonna like send you all the products. You might need to buy a couple of them because sometimes, you know, like C4 might not respond to you because I'm sure they have so many DMs. But like, I got this simple one. This one apparently is making people like super rich. These pimple patches, because they're super cheap. These are like $3.99 on TikTok Shop with free shipping. And at the stores, pimple patches are like 10, 15 bucks. So it's like, people are going, I don't know, it's crazy. But yeah, guys, I just want to make this kind of PSA. If you want to join my group community down below, again, there's a free 30-day free trial, and I'm always updating it. Like, TikTok literally just came out with an update like 4 days ago, making it super easy for new people to qualify. So I made an update in my group, like showing that. So if you're in my group, you'll get all those updates. And then, you know, we have a group chat too, where once you start posting, I'm gonna go and engage with you. We're all gonna engage with each other, bump up our numbers, and just that way you kind of get fast-tracked into the TikTok algorithm, so you're not alone in it. So anyways, check the link out below. I'm sweating. I just got out the gym and my windows are rolled up. I wanted to make sure I had good audio, so I didn't have my AC running. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've already tried out TikTok Shop. I know some of you guys already joined the group, so I'm really excited that you guys are like trying it out. And again, people are making life-changing money. TikTok has helped me tremendously in my life create financial freedom and, you know, be able to do stuff like, I just bought this car in cash. I don't have a car payment anymore. Granted, it was only $5,200 bucks. More on that later. I bought this car off Facebook Marketplace, and it qualifies for Uber and Lyft, doesn't have a lot of miles on it, and I only spent $5,200, and I bought it in cash. And the insurance on it is only 60 bucks a month. So now I have a fully paid off car, no car payment, for $60 a month insurance. And this car should last me like 5 to 6 years. So anyways, more on that in another video. All right, thanks for watching, guys.